नमस्कार येवकार तुमका हब एनकाउंटर अनकट कार्यावळीन आम्ही आमच्या स्टुडिओन वाट पळयतात अशा मनशाची जाणे एक पॉलिटिकल पार्टी स्टार्ट केली ताणे गव्हर्नमेंटा अगेन्स्ट उलोवपाक स्टार्ट केले आणि ही पॉलिटिकल पार्टी सुरू जाली एका मुवमेंटांतल्यान म्हणजे सेव मोले मुवमेंटांतल्यान. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट कॅप्टन वेरिएटो फर्नांडीस. तांकां विचारले फ्रॉम वेर ही केम एंड हाउ ही केम इनटू पॉलिटिक्स. दिस इज अनकट. ही हॅज कम. थँक यू वी आर वेटिंग फॉर यू. Okay, please have a seat, Captain.
Thank you.
Ajay, you are okay with sitting on a black chair?
Comfortable.
Black chair.
This is luxury for us.
Color, you don't have any problem.
No, not at all. Not at all.
Like auspicious color.
Asha kai na.
You don't believe?
Absolutely.
Why? This is your military
Aye.
upbringing.
When you're in the military, the only कितें म्हणटा ते is to looking out for the enemy's bullets. So हातून auspicious कांय चलना.
Are we good to go?
Yeah. 3, 2, 1, and
Okay, so to begin with, एक पॉलिटिक्स म्हटलं की स्पेशली खुबशे लोक पयस रावतात. सीन की तुम्ही पयलीं यू आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन पॉलिटिक्स. खंय तरी एक मुवमेंट स्टार्ट केलो आनी राजकारणांत गेले. आतां रिपेंट करता काय?
Not at all. Not at all. आमकां एक I come from a military background. If you have decided, taken a decision to go for an attack, you have to go for that attack. Last minute you step back, you're finished. You have to have that conviction that yes, I am convinced that what is happening is wrong. This is my enemy. I have to finish it.
अटॅक कोणाचेर जाता? बीजेपीचेर, काँग्रेसीचेर?
Sadhya, if you see across political parties, there is that element of corruption. It just varies in percentage. Thadyan chad asa, thadyan less asa. Thadyan, there's an opening till today. Thadyancho chance gelo. It is only that. So they are trying for a chance.
ह्या फावटी चान्स मेळटा का पळयतले?
Exactly.
सो तुमचे एनिमी कोण आता?
In this, we look at them as opponents, but they are the enemies of the country. Because when they go into corruption, that is the biggest cancer that is affecting the society. Eyes black money pay. Eka sidek, there are two Indias that we are seeing. Eka sidek jopak na, people are dying, hunger, poverty. There is another side of India where 2%, 3% are just accumulating wealth. They feel happy in being declared as the richest people.
ओके, सो तुम्ही आता राजकारणात आयला. लेट्स बी व्हेरी, दिस इज लायक मातशे फिलॉसॉफिकल टॉक. गोंयकारांक कळपाक जाय, कॅप्टन वेरिएटो रिटायर्ड इंडियन नेव्ही ऑफिसर राजकारणात आयला. एनिमी कोण?
Enemy is the person who is sucking the blood of the poor person.
कोण आता? आता इलेक्शन
सध्या the politician itself. So अशें आसा की आमचे बाप स्वप्नेशान एक फावट बरें म्हणल्यान म्हाका लागले, तुका तर क्रिकेट मैदानात खेळपाक जाय, क्रिकेट मैदान में उतरना पडेगा. तुका तर कमळ चिखलान आसा ते काडून उडोवपाक जाय, तुका चिखलान देंवचो पडटलो. With that thought process, we have come to uproot these very people who are responsible for this cancer in the society.
1, 2, 3 सीट ताचे वयर सिटां दिसना तुमची.
आमी maybe in the days to come, after seeing what is happening in Goa, आमी आनी declare करीत. But सध्या may not be 40, but we are looking, आमचे delay जाता. There are quite a few reasons. One reason is आमकां खुबशे लोक approach जाला for contesting. Applications, biodata, very impressive, but we don't see that integrity. The very reason for which we have come, if we compromise on that criteria, what we have said.
फाल्यां कोणी समज कॉन्टेस्ट करपाक सोदता जाल्यार तुमी ताजे पयलीं इंटरव्यू बी घेता?
Absolutely. The background, why he wants to come. What has he contributed to the society? Those saying that I want to come and serve the society. Have you served before? Have you
आता
served?
सुरू करता आल्या आता जर
They should prove. Let them serve the people. Politics आणून येवपाक जाय म्हण ना.
सो तिकीट ना ताका
No. If we feel, if we are not convinced, then we would not.
पार्टी झाली पार्टी म्हणून ऑफिशियली जाऊन
Registration चालू आसा आमचे.
आता जायना जाल्यार तुमचे मागीर रेव्होल्युशनरी
We have a plan B in place. At the right time we will.
सगळ्यांची प्लॅन बी आसा ते
हय.
रेव्होल्युशनरी गोवन्मेंटाचो प्लॅन बी
You
आशिल्लो
know,
आता दोघांचो एकूच प्लॅन बी नासल्यार पुरो फक्त
आमचो मे बी कॅपिटल बी ताचो स्मॉल बी असे डिफरन्स असतले.
सो प्लॅन बी आसा
असा
कितें प्लॅन बी
that is maybe strategically आम्ही सांगूंक शकना, but we thought the moment when certain agents of the government they put objections, त्यांना आमकां कळलें की it's a difficult journey, we have to have a plan B.
ते खंयचे सिम्बॉल म्हणचो मागला तुम्ही
आम्ही सध्या symbol only will come in the end after registration.
ना पूण एक मागचो पडटा न्ही लक्षात
It will be something to do with the culture and heritage of Goa.
तातूंतली सिक्रेसी
हय,
हो गोंयचो आवाज का गोंयचो
आमचे कडेन
सिक्रेट आवाज
आम्ही 3 सिम्बॉल असे शॉर्टलिस्ट करून दवरल्या that been designed by some local artist.
हा
हय,
ना पूण यू हॅव टू चूज फ्रॉम देम आय थिंक रायट
ते दितले, but we will be also requesting them that this is not infringing with the laid down criteria and this may be considered.
सो पॉलिटिकल पार्टी जायना जाल्यार प्लॅन बी रेडी आसा
Yes, yes.
आणि प्लॅन बी इज बिग 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 आमकां खबर नासा ओके सो 3 जाण सध्या आसा तुम्ही एक तुम्ही आसा एक कलंगूट रावला
आणि एक थिवी
रोशन
मतायस,
रोशन माताय आणि टीव्ही स्वप्नेश
स्वप्नेश शेल्लेकर.
3 जाण सारखे गोंयचो आवाज
हय,
तिघांचोच गोंयचो आवाज
ना आम्ही सध्या 3 नावां डिक्लेअर केल्या आणि probably we may go in the days to come for more names.
ओके एक एनवायरमेंट इश्यूज पळयले आमी आता त्याच इश्यूचेर तुम्ही इलेक्शनान पडले आता तुमकां दिसता त्याच इश्यूक लागून तुमकां मतां पडटली
ना, it is not, environment is just one factor for which आम्ही रस्त्यार येवचे पडले. But when we were investigating what is the force that is behind this environmental destruction, what are the reasons की सरकार लोकांचे आयकना आणि गुलाम जाल्ले आसा ऑफ क्रोनिक कॅपिटलिस्ट, then we came to know the larger plan which is going to destroy Goa. आयज आता एमपीटी तुम्ही पळया, एमपीटीचे just till 2014 there were 7,400 workers. As it has come down to 1,400. This is the capitalist way of working. You remove the workers, keep a few of them, with the gun point. Baba, काम करना तुमका भायर उडयतले.
सो मेकॅनायझेशन
Mechanization, not mechanization. This is a way of killing workforce of alternate source of income. थंय खूप आसा. फॉर एक्झाम्पल दे आर नाव दोज 1,400 people are being told कोल बंद जाल्यार तुमकां काम ना. Why? You have got a $2 billion pharmaceutical industry in Goa. You just route it through MPT. MPT will go into a profit-making organization, which it was before.
तांचे लॉजिस्टिक इश्यूज असतले न्ही तांकां नाल्यार लॉस करून कित्याक ते जे एमपीटी ते व्हरून थंयच्यान व्हरपाक
The very fact pharmaceutical companies are taking their entire product to Bombay, JNPT, loading on those ships and sending abroad, shows that there is something wrong. Because just half an hour away, MPT इथे वचना. कित्याक? Because MPT there is a proper कितें म्हणटा ते करप्शनाचे जेन्ना हे कंटेनर्स वेता थंय.
ना तांकां कळून ना अजून हे दिस लुक्स लायक लिटल
हय
अनएक्सेप्टेबल टील यू कन्विन्स मी
हय
हांगा एमपीटी आसा
हय
हांगा फार्मास्युटिकल कंपनी
हय.
आसा एमपीटीक फायदो करपाकूच जाय
हय
तरी फार्मास्युटिकल कंपनी मुंबय वचून आपले कंटेनर्स धाड
करेक्ट.
आणि तुम्ही म्हणता एमपीटी इज नॉट अलाउविंग इट बिकॉज ऑफ करप्शन
येस I
खंयच्या
will-
कोर्टाक अशें जाय पडटा की बाबा आपलो लॉस
हय
जाय
हय
करप्शन
आय विल टेल यू. जे तुका अर्ध्या वराचो ट्रॅव्हल आसा फ्रॉम वेर्ना टू एमपीटी, they are going traveling 12-14 hours to Mumbai. One is the freight charges are much more. Now, why MPT in a very planned manner is being kept इन लॉस इज तुम्ही पळोवपाक जाय बेसिकली कितल्यो बर्थ्स आशिल्ल्यो पळय त्यो slowly the berths are being handed over to these companies, crony capitalist handling coal. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, including the barge berth. You're सगळे आता being handed over to either Adani or Jindal. So you are killing off the iron ore handling. You are trying to make MPT into a single cargo handling company. Only coal. You are by design you're making it dependent only on coal. Not only that, kitlo export hadpak jata, you will generate employment. You can bring green cargo. You can turn it into a tourist hub. Goa is a tourist hub.
So cruise terminal asat thंय.
Asa. So that also probably in the months or years to come it will be handed over. Because if you see the nationalization program which has been announced by Mrs. Sitaraman, finance minister, तातूंतले ते berths asa tatun. So that will be given on long lease. So
Okay,
if it
so Captain, you're talking like a typical activist.
no,
You don't
we are-
look like going for a kill in next 3-4 months.
no, this is the truth. Since you asked, we know the entire conspiracy behind this.
So my question is very
Aye.
simple. E-conspiracy,
Aye.
not being a politician also, you can handle it through courts, through media, through
Aye.
your agitation. Politics and किधर है?
I will tell you. Today you see the problem that are plaguing Goa. Unemployment, fuel price rise, COVID deaths, health policy is at its lowest. Crime. आमच्या गोंयान आधी आम्ही वाटताना एक मर्डर जायत जाल्यार फुल इयर आम्ही उलयतात मर्डर जाल्ली मर्डर आयज ऑलमोस्ट एव्हरी डे देर इज अ मर्डर देर इज अ रेप द फॅमिली इज नॉट गेटिंग जस्टिस व्हाय द क्राईम रेट इज गोइंग अप आणि पॉलिटिशियन कोण उलयना इन असेंब्ली पासून उलोवपाक दिना
बुलेट तांणी स्टॉल केले, बॉळ केलो.
दॅट इज ऑल यू नो इट्स लोकांक ते एक दाखोवपाक
काय आता नाव उलयल्या लोकांक दाखोवपाक.
No, because why the decision was not taken? Why was it not taken to conclusion?
What decision could be taken?
They have to either set up a committee or pass something where to investigate. Police are not being allowed to investigate. There is a
पोलिसांक
pressure.
विश्वास ना.
Now, policean तर तुका free hand दिवपाक जाय. You have to bring police reforms. That is where we step in. We are saying bring police reforms as per the Supreme Court order of 2006. It is Prakash Singh versus the Union of India, which was the order passed. They are saying bring police reform. In that police reforms, the police are getting a free hand. Anga कितें जाता? एक politician who is having a criminal background, the person who has raped that poor girl or murdered, he is linked to the politician. तो पुलिसाक फोन मारता म्हणटा बाबा you don't म्हणजे माझ्या मनशाक सेव्ह कर.
So law and order is one issue.
This is one. Unemployment. Today, one small credit we give. 1980, the Pratap Singh Rane government had brought a policy wherein employment exchange was set up. Though it was manual, so there was scope for corruption.
Losing for आपने हाडले म्हणटा.
I ते तो खूप म्हणतात.
तो आशिल्लो, he was the minister then.
Okay. So today, if you look at it, आयज म्हणटा आम्ही 10,000 job vacancy आता just before election. What is happening in every constituency? People are made vulnerable. तू माझ्या पायाशी यो म्हाका वोट घाल हांव तुका जॉब दितलो. There is no guarantee.
दोळ्याचो अशें आसता ते म्हणटा की हांव जॉब दितलो
आहे
मागीर वोट घाल.
ना वोट घाल मागीर जॉब हांव तर निवडून आयलो तुका वोट दिसो
ज्यात तुमकां दिसता की डिसेंबरान मागीर जॉब मेळचे ना.
काय ना थोडे पळय कितें आसा दामून दवरला ते दितले.
इतलेंच.
The thing is, if you cannot pay salaries of those who are on contract basis, you don't have money, so you are employing more. Because similar thing had happened in 2016 when Shri Parshekar was CM. He announced 50,000 jobs. Election झाले कोणच उलोवंक ना विसरले because our memory is short.
ना चड अनाउन्समेंट होते याद उरना.
हय.
मेमरीचो
हय.
प्रश्न ना.
So
अनाउन्समेंट इतले जाले की याद उरना. ते खंयचे याद उरचे.
So one is
Political
employment.
had announced I think some
हय.
25,000 jobs.
today we worked out a policy. आम्ही with going forward we always consult some elders, experts in the field across the society, especially retired people. तांच्याकडे बसून आम्ही एम्प्लॉयमेंट पॉलिसी एक काढल्या where every family will have at least minimum one member employed. How? It is linked to tourism. It is linked to मायनिंग विच हॅज बीन क्लोज्ड तांकां पादिशार करून दवरल्या मुद्दम मायनिंग तांकां बाबड्यांक कॅरट दाखोवन फटयतात. We have policies which will generate, for example, agriculture. There is so much of scope of generating employment in agriculture. आम्ही आता चिखाली, दाबोली कॉन्स्टिट्यूट चिखाली youth farmers club म्हणून फादर बॉलमॅक्सन स्टार्ट केलो. There are all graduates, post graduates who have taken up into that farming. उमेदीन. The harvesting season is just round the corner. 10,000 square meter पोरू केल्ले उण या हातून चढ केले. Why youth are not getting attracted? Because there is that golden picture तांकां दाखयना. If the rains fail, the season fails, your crop fails, you are at nature's mercy. No, you have to ensure you take up farming. These are the sops which are being given to you.
So farming is, you will have a policy.
Absolutely. केली आम्ही.
Yes,
Agriculture and
sir,
food.
we will come with
Yeah.
that. एक separate interviews करूया. We
Aye.
will just
Aye.
give you entire space to tell what Goenka Awaz is going to do. Right now, we want to know you and Goenka Awaz. You are supremo of Goenka Awaz.
No, I am just a member.
Sarkozy.
The chief is president is Mr. Swapnesh Shelekar.
He's the.
He is the president. Mr. Roshan Matthias is the vice president.
तुम्ही चोरल्या खंय? नावच चोरल्या खंय तुम्ही कोणाकडल्या? बोवाळ जालो म्हणजे
About
गोंयचो
गोंयचो
आवाज
आवाज.
आमचे नाव.
आम्ही गोंयचो आवाज फॉर्म केल्लो 8 एप्रिल 2018. पोरू 25 मे 2020 when that COVID lockdown had just started, आमकां मातसो टायम मेवलो and we said let us register as an NGO. There was no talk of political thing at all. आम्ही अप्लाय केले रजिस्ट्रेशनाक. 16th June we got a reply from the registrar's office saying that similar organization एक आसा called गोंयकारांचो आवाज which was registered about 4-5 years back. So तांची तुम्ही no objection certificate हाडा. We approached them. They followed some proper norms which are there. They took their meeting, passed a resolution, and they gave us. We said we don't have any objection. आम्ही पळयता तुम्ही गोंयचो आवाज लढाई करता रस्त्यांचेर गोंया बसून you use this name. We submitted that. After somewhere end July, one so-called activist who is working in the government, he at the behest of one minister, is a government agent, Kalta. He puts an objection saying, I want to apply for Goenka Awaz. Then he puts AWAZ. I don't want to talk about him because he's got a very colorful past. So आमच्याकडे ते आम्ही see, that is where activism comes. We investigate, we found proof. What are they? Because when we were fighting, no, when we were fighting,
आता तो बोवाळ
no, since तुम्ही विचारला म्हण, आम्ही जेन्ना 3 linear projectसाक फाईट करताले, and when we applied for RTI to get some documents against the 400 kV transmission line, you will be surprised, the same activist defended the government. He came from the government side to deny us the RTI document. That is where the link is formed between the man who put objection and the man who was denying his fellow activist the information to fight against the 3 linear project. So we will keep it at that.
नाव घेईना
No,
त्यामुळे.
no, because he is also an activist. We hope he is doing good or he may do good. So we never go against fellow activists.
ओके लेट्स कम टू दिस. नाले ते वेगळेच जातात.
Correct.
ते ऍक्टिव्हिस्ट वर्सेस ऍक्टिव्हिस्ट
Aye.
जातले ना आम्ही मध्ये
That's why we don't go against any activist.
गोदी मीडिया पासून सुरू जातले. ओके ओके. सो नाव तुम्ही तुमच्या नावावर असा प्रॉपरली घेतलेले नाव असा. देयर इज नो चॅलेंज.
No,
Any-
since there were efforts by certain section government with some certain activists to stop us from getting registered as NGO, plus हे पळय 3 linear projectsचेर आमी पळयलें की आमकां हे पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज सपोर्ट करिना. They were only doing lip service. Somewhere they were hand in glove with the government. Government themselves was working at the behest of this coal company. That is the time we said we have to have a voice in the assembly. And that is why we approached the election commission.
पण एक म्हाका सांगा, that's where you started your political thing.
Aye.
Okay, let's cut it short. पूण आम्ही पळयलें we have seen की जेन्ना मोर्चा जालो आनी स्पेशली जेन्ना कुडचड्याचेर गेट आडयली,
Aye.
हजारांनी लोक आशिल्ले. पण ते आता एक काँग्रेस एक आम आदमी, एक आय डोंट नो बीजेपी सोडून सगळ्या पॉलिटिकल पार्टी थंय आशिल्ल्यो आणि आता नवीन पॉलिटिकल पार्टी आयल्या सो तेन्ना नाशिल्ल्यो. There is no unity amongst Goans against the government or against the BJP, and that's where there is every possibility that BJP might come back to power.
See, this is where, when I look at my military bearing, enemy is one. You have identified who's your enemy, destroying whatever. And don't political opponent. But so you have to, whether even difference of opinion, you have to come to a certain conclusion. Either unite or perish.
So तुम्ही कॉल देऊ ना युनायटेडचे कोणाकूच.
We are working behind the scenes.
Uniting all the opposition.
Only certain opposition whom we can give them a chance. Okay. Certain opposition की हाणी जमीन विकूंक ना आमची गोंयची.
Certain opposition काँग्रेस येना दिसता तुमगेले पयलींच आसतले जगली तांचेकडे. They were also in the governments in the past.
They were in the past, but at this stage we may not be able to tell. We are in talks. Because certain political parties have approached us.
And let's not keep this vague.
Aye.
Sarke, if you want to name, because you are military background person. तू आणि
Now, for example, आता तुम्ही म्हणशाल,
what? Congress, are you going with Congress?
Congress has approached unofficially, but काँग्रेसानूय कितें केलां तें आमकां कशें एश्युरन्स मेळटलें तें परतें जावचें ना म्हण.
Go forward party,
No,
MGP,
high chances.
high chances.
Aye, because this is a party जमीन विकूंक ना.
जमीन विकून
ना.
NCP,
No, big no.
big no कित्याक?
Because, for example, तांचो एक MLA आसा बेनावली.
नाव घेवपा जाता.
Hय, Churchill Alemão. And I have been very vocal about it. He has got the capability to fight for Goa. अजून he's got that little bit एक call दिल्यार okay. But he was with the BJP for 5 years. आता इलेक्शन येता तेन्ना तू म्हणटा अँटी बीजेपी तशें चालना.
त्याने सांगला आपण बीजेपी बरोबर आपण तुका सपोर्ट केला म्हटलं त्याने सीएमक त्याने सांगला तू
Aye.
बरो चीफ मिनिस्टर.
Aye.
That's
So,
why you're not with NCP.
not because of that. We have seen he is working in the last 5 years. जेन्ना आमी analyze केले,
चर्चिल इज इक्वल टू NCP अशें धरला.
Churchill is equal to BJP.
जुझे फिलिप का तुमचे ऑलरेडी ते दाबोळे जुझे फिलिपा बरोबर आसा म्हणून तुम्ही येना.
No,
जुझे
तशें
फिलिप
ना.
also shift to
No,
दाबोळे मायावट.
probably as far as Churchill Alemão and Jose Felipe is concerned, he is the president of the party. He could have controlled Churchill. नी बाबा हे तू करता तें सारकें न्ही. This is not the NCP policy. Since he did not stop Churchill, that means we look at it, this was NCP's official policy.
इंडिपेंडेंट्सा मध्ये तुमका कोण लागचे दिसता? प्रसाद तो ऑलरेडी टीएमसी म्हणटा. टीएमसी लागची दिसता?
TMC has just come. I appreciate what Mrs. Mamata Banerjee has done in West Bengal. They are working with IPAC. We also appreciate what Mr. Prashant Kishore and his team has been doing in the last few years. But we are watching. They coming at the last moment, So yes, they have approached us. We told them, ह्या टायमार येवन you are disturbing the calculation. तुम्ही खंय आशिल्ले? Because if you recollect, Mrs. Mamata Banerjee went to Telangana and she extended support to Mr. Chandrasekhar during the last assembly election. She said, तुम्ही regional party, आम्ही regional party, तुमका आम्ही support करपाक आयल्या. आम्ही इलेक्शनाक रावना, तुमका support करपाक आयल्या. She went to Andhra Pradesh, extended support to Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy. She said, आम्ही regional party, तुम्ही regional, तुमका support. Tamil Nadu, she extended support to Mr. Stalin. गोंयान एक्सटेंड करा आमकां सपोर्ट न्ही. पण तुम्ही येवनूच तुम्ही इलेक्शनाक रावंक सोदता. दिस इज द सी तेलंगाना, आंध्र, तामिळनाडू, यू एक्सटेंडेड सपोर्ट.
सो आमी फाल्यां बरोवपा जाता गोंयचो आवाज इज ओके विथ टीएमसी इफ दे एक्सटेंड दी
सपोर्ट
जाता.
हय, दे कॅन एक्सटेंड सपोर्ट टू अस इन दिस फायट. बट यू कंटेस्टिंग इट गिव्स अ डाउट की ह्या टायमार कितें कितें आमी लढाई करतले गोंय सांबाळपाक. And that is where I have a serious objection to Mr. Luizino going to Bengal, folding his hand and saying, I request Didi to come to Goa to save Goa. तू कितें करतालो 40 वर्सां? 5 वर्सां असेंब्ली नाशिल्लो कितें करतालो तू? आमी 3 linear projects झगडटाले.
मातसो इगो इश्यू जालो.
No, we have to see that sincere. You are 2-time chief minister. You are one of the senior most. We look up to you. टू फाईट फॉर गोवा. तू आता बेंगॉल येता
तुम्ही ऑफर दिऊ ना ताका की आमच्या पार्टीत बी जॉईन जाय. यू नेवर थॉट ऑफ दिस गायज.
बिकॉज
तुम्ही पहिलीच म्हणताय 40 चोर 40 युजलेस 40.
ना आम्ही 40 चोर म्हणत ना. देर आर सम 1 or 2 गुड पीपल आर देअर.
इन
करंट असेंब्ली असा
1 or 2.
मे बी 1 or 2 यू
Now,
नो मे बी आमकां तांचे मेळोंक ना अजून करप्शन मेळोंक ना. बट you know, this is where we have to draw a line. There are some educated, intelligent, very few are there. बाकीचे भटे सारखे सांगतात. हे पळय 10 जाण गेल्ले तातून यू नेम वन पर्सन हू कॅन लेजिस्लेट. भासाभास कर.
Water with good heart
It
is
doesn't
better
work, no.
than intelligent
It-
with bad.
No, it doesn't work because you are a good man and तू बैला भशेन तकली हालयता. 3 linear project जाय हय म्हाका जाय भायर येवन सांगता आमकां नाका आशिल्ले.
9 जाण कोण आता तुम्ही थंय?
That it won't be appropriate to name because फाल्यां तर आमकां कितें मेळोलें तांचे. I'll have to swallow my words.
आता म्हण सर.
I will tell you off the record.
Nothing. This is
Because it could be की ताका चान्स मेळोंक ना खावपाक अशेंय जावंक शकता.
Again, you're going back to 40s or 40s and so.
See, we have to in this is a golden chance for the people. काल लास्ट असेंब्ली काबार जाल्या. डझनांनी भायर उडोवपाक जाय एमएलए. गोंया सेव्ह करतल्या. आमच्या युथांक तर फ्युचर जाय. See, today they don't have what is the unemployment rate. 17,000 youth are graduating every year. How many vacancies are being formed? आमच्याकडे डेटा असा, तांच्याकडे ना. Being in the government, they don't have data. We have collected and we are sure with our policies, every person after being given employment, there will be shortage of people to be employed. Yes.
Promising this everything.
No, because and we cross-checked with some expert. But maybe our findings around, no, they went through it. Some of them are captains of industries. So we are very open, Baba. Amka sanga maybe. You know, the main thing is everybody has to have an
But
employer.
is this possible?
100%. And 100% possible.
We'll go by your word. We give you always there's one advantage with you is that X
I give me my soldier's word.
soldier's word.
I
The boy is the soldier.
today tourism industry जो आयला ताणे एक मास्टर प्लॅन केला. Whom does it benefit? Whom does it cater to? It caters for all those high class rich people or super rich. And what is the result of it in the society? Drugs, prostitution, rapes, murders. 8 वरां रातचे तू पणजे वचा near captain of port. You see that is not a culture.
You're against casinos.
I'm against casinos.
So if I come to power, 100 days casinos are
100 days?
Huh?
First resolution should be stop casinos. Because that is the root cause of everything.
Yes, my
सरकार कितें म्हणटा हे पळय सरकार आसा आनी प्लस 40 MLA they are generating employment. That is where you fail. You have to have the brains to generate alternative employment.
employment म्हणा ते revenue म्हणता.
Once you generate employment, automatically there will be revenue that will come in. That's how the employment will be. ते चितीत ना तांकां ते easy money जाता.
So no casinos.
Yes.
Casino भायर काडून.
Bye. Absolutely, because
Go
that,
without casinos.
we go without casinos.
Go without drugs.
No drugs, no prostitution, automatically society will be safe. Today, law and order problem related to that. Who's controlling the government? Casinos. It's a fact, whether we accept or no.
पण ते उरले बंद. If they were controlling the government चालू जाता आशिल्ले. ते problem
Yes.
बंद.
आता आम्ही तसे तर पळय-
एडिट करा.
आमचे तर पैशी आता बिकॉज ऑफ द लॉकडाऊन स्मॉल फेलोज स्मॉल एंटरप्रेनर्स वेदर इट इज अ मोटरसायकल पायलट और टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हर्स धाकटुली हॉटेलां सगळ्यांच्या पोटार खट पडली. दे सफर्ड अ लॉट. तांकां कांय एक पॅकेज येवंक ना गव्हर्मेंटाची एज अ रिलीफ. बट when the casinos had to pay 278.8 crores as tax to the government as a revenue which is to go, they waived it off. So तुम्ही मोठ्या लोकांची वेव ऑफ करता आणि गरीब लोक लाईक टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हर्स मोटरसायकल पायलट धाकटे ते गाड्या चलयता पोटात तांकां तुम्ही कांयच पॅकेज दिवना.
So now back to politics. CM फेस बी कोण ना तुमचं.
No, we are not interested in power. Our thing is we have to have a voice on the floor of the assembly to ensure the people. Goincho Awaz is that. Goincho Awaz is basically in a democracy, you'll agree, there's a ruling and there's an opposition. We consider opposition is the most powerful, more powerful than
Opposition
ruling.
is the आवाज.
Opposition is the Awaz, people's voice. Goincho Awaz.
So आमी केन्ना अशी चीफ मिनिस्टर कॅप्टन विरेटो फेर्नांडीस म्हणून बरोवपा मेळपा ना आमकां.
No, because we are not interested in power. Our this is voice of the
कोणा
people.
सपोर्ट बी करून गव्हर्नमेंट फॉर्मेशना फाल्यां दोग तीग जाण जाय जाल्यार
समजून
फाल्यां जर जाय गव्हर्नमेंट फॉर्म करपाक एक दोग तीग जाण जाय आनी तुमचे आसा तरी एक दोग जाण.
See, आमचे सध्या we have our agenda in place. We have our demands in place. In that, we have to start right from आमचे rivers गेले कोणूच उलयना. It has become an accepted thing. Those rivers going has given the control of these rivers to an organization called AWAI, Inland Waterway Authority of India, IWAI, Noida.
That's a state central government.
Central. आमच्या सरकाराकडे कंट्रोल ना. Casino हाडटलो
So
जाल्यार
all this will be reverted. These are central government's decisions.
this is where the state government has to put their foot down. No, आमचे नवे परते दी. Linear projects out. 16B out, scrapped straight away.
Mining start.
Mining there has to be a policy. Today we have envisaged a policy that mining Tarna, what is alternate for those people? You interning mining with tourism, there are mining pits. Udak ballela asa. Have they ever thought of starting pisciculture? Have they thought of bringing tourism, water sports? Generally you don't require skilled labor. This is where I'm saying we can generate. Our policies are in place. But people only want to fool those poor mining dependent people. फक्त मायनिंगाचेरूच तुमचे ना आम्ही तांकां सेपरेट करतले. टुडे दोंगर कापून सगळे काबार झाले. Bring the solar power plants. Give them free electricity. We are a signatory to the Paris agreement. Then what are we doing? That is also generating. We are only dependent on the conventional
So
power.
you have plans in place.
Absolutely. Employment, health.
Opposition राहून सुद्धा तुम्ही करून घ्या.
Absolutely. Opposition is more powerful.
Opposition more.
Absolutely.
त्या ऐकतल्यान सगळे म्हणतात चल आता ऑपोजिशनान सुद्धा रावल्या जाता म्हणून.
Aye.
गव्हर्नमेंट करपा जाय अशें ना.
No, you need not be in the government. You have to be
हिंदी असेंब्ली.
assembly. You have to know what are your priorities. Why it fails is because कोण जिखून येता ताचे पैसे करपाक जाय. That is the problem.
That is a problem.
Aye. Because you forget the people.
तुमच्याकडे ते ना.
No.
असं तातून सुख.
I get my pension.
ओके. असं तातून सुखान आसा.
सुखान आसा. I don't want to comment personally on any of this. The politician asa, rich people who have made money from people's सुखी आसा ते. तोणार आसा.
तुमकां बरी न्हीद येता सुशेगाद.
100%. I hit the bed and I am.
देव बरें करूं आनी
Thank
देव
you.
सांगपाचें जाल्यार सांगा. This is
We एकूच हांव एक मेसेज दिता गोंयच्या लोकांक. इलेक्शनाचो टायम आयिल्लो आसा. Politicians will come with money. And this I keep telling the youth. की एका वोटाक 2,000 डायरेक्ट दिता. Just calculate. In a year there are 365 days. In 5 years there are 1,825 days. You divide that 2,000 by 1,825, it comes to 1 rupee 8 paise. या पॉलिटिशियन पिशान काडटा. 1 रुपया 8 पैसे दिता दिसाक आणि तांचो वोट घेता.
मत विकते घेता.
Whereas if you have so much of money, create employment, set up a small industry, generate employment, help the poor people who are, have no means for education. This is the thing what I think. So, for example, street providence म्हणून एक आमचो बरो गोंयकार चलयता. Hats off to him. Donald Fernandez. Imagine his determination. He's saying, I will do whatever I can. And
रस्त्यावयल्या
लोकांक तो उखलता. Why can't the politicians do that?
रस्त्यावयल्या उपाशी लोकांक जेवण दिता.
Aye. तांकां न्हाणयता, न्हेसयता.
न्हाणयता, बऱ्या जाग्यार हाडून दवरता.
Absolutely.
And तांकां real life.
Aye.
This is one thing. Irrespective
Absolutely.
of anything, we should
Yes.
appreciate this kind of
Yes.
thing. Yeah, thank you very much.
Most my pleasure.
We'll meet you again.
Thank you.
The election lagi पावले की,
Aye.
or maybe before that. Hope you will have time for us.
Yes.
ना तुमचे
Definitely.
We'll travel to your place.
Definitely most welcome.
And
But this is a golden chance for the people. डझनांनी MLA भायर उडोवपाक. आमी डिसायड केला दाबोळी.
दाबोळी, हा. ते-
दाबोळी who says he is the most powerful politician, 6-time MLA, ताका आमी रिटायर करपाचें डिसिजन घेतलें. Pack off. लॉक स्टॉक अँड बॅरल
बॅक ऑफ
हय कित्याक 5 वर्सां आमचे बराबर ना न्ही बिल्डरां बराबर आनी आतां तो ग्रावंड पळयता भुरग्यांक आनी कितें म्हणटा आपूण तुमकां जॉब दितलो केन्ना 5 वर्सां खंय आशिल्लो यू आर स्टेईंग इन युअर फार्म हाऊस इन साल्ट बिचोली इवन ड्युरींग लॉकडावन दॅट तसलें चलना न्ही यू हॅव टू बी अ पिपल्स मॅन यू कॅनॉट बिकम रिच अँड फॉरगेट द पीपल एटलीस्ट गिव्ह दॅट बेसिक एमेनिटी फॉर द पर्सन
सो गोंयचो आवाज वील ओपन इट्स अकाउंट फ्रॉम दाबोळी
हय
हय न्ही ते कितें काउंटिंग आसून दाबोळी बी पयलीं येता अशें कितें काउंटिंग
खबर ना फर्स्ट टाइम वी आर सो
फर्स्ट टाइम
हय.
ओके वी लेट मी चेक
हय.
कितें बरें करूं हे आशिल्ले कॅप्टन विरिएटो फेर्नांडीस हब एनकाउंटर अनकट तुम्ही सगळे आयकल्ले आसा सो आय नीड नॉट रिपीट गोंयचो आवाज सगळीकडे पावतले म्हणटात ते 3 पासून सुरू जाला कितले म्हणसर पावयतले ते येता ते दिसांनी कळटले थोडे लायक मायंडेड पार्टिसां कडेन बी उलोवणी करपाची तांची तयारी आसा आनी खंयची लायक मायंडेड तुम्ही लेट जॉईन झाला जाल्यार फाटल्यान रिवाइंड करून पळय यू कम टू नो तुम्ही पळयतात हब एनकाउंटर अनकट आमचो प्रोडक्शन पार्टनर्स आसा प्रसाद देशपांडे पावर्ड www.goabyline.com चॅनल पार्टनर्स RDX गोवा पळयत रावात